Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's no warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. Ain't No Sunshine, one of the most beautiful songs that you can play on a guitar, even if you're a beginner. My name is Hannes Knechtkes, I'm happy that you're here, and I'm about to show you the song in 10 minutes. Before we start, we should consider that there are some beginners out there, and if you are one, no problem. I have my free lessons for you that will help you to get everything you need to start with a tutorial like this too. So let's start with Ain't No Sunshine. We need actually 3 fingers for our first chord, the A minor 7. Beautiful chord. And we have a pretty simple but effective picking pattern going on here. So we go with the index finger in the 5th fret of the E string, middle finger in the 5th fret of the D string, and ring finger in the 5th fret of the G string. You also can do that with middle, ring and pinky. No matter, doesn't matter, go for whatever you like. And then we pluck the low E string and then at once the D and G string. So it's E and D and G. How do you pluck those strings? With the thumb and with the index and middle finger. Get used to that first. I like to rest my hand on the actual guitar, here on the bridge. I don't touch the strings with my palm here, but I like to park my hand there. That as long as you need to get a fluent movement there, like might take some time. And then, after you did that once, you play open strings. Same pattern, E string and then D and G, and then we go to, after you did that once, G7, beautiful chord. Same fingers here, index finger 3rd fret E string, middle finger 3rd fret D string, and then with the ring finger in the 4th fret of the G string. So in total we have this A minor 7, then E minor 7 with open strings, and G7. And again, A minor 7. From the top, A minor 7, E minor 7, G7, A minor 7. For 2 more times, and then from the top again, A minor 7, E minor 7, G7, A minor 7. From the top, when she's A minor 7, E minor 7, G7, A minor 7. It's not warm when she's A minor 7, E minor 7, G7, A minor 7. Ain't no sunshine, when she's gone. And then we have the B part, which is going to E minor 7, but on a different position. We go to the 7th fret of the A string with the index finger. Middle finger goes to the 7th fret of the G string, and the ring finger goes to the 8th fret of the B string. It's a beautiful E minor 7 too. You do that pattern 4 times, then you put everything 2 frets down the fretboard to 5th fret, 5th fret, 6th fret. That's a D minor 7. And then we go back to the top. And then it starts all over again. Let's do it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and now to the B part. And that's about it, what you can learn on this song. Beautiful chords, and what you have to consider is when you go from the, I call it A part here, to the B part, that you have to change strings. That's the most difficult thing there, that we're going from E, D and G string to A, G and B string. So get aware of that, what you do with your picking hand. Maybe change between the A minor 7 and the E minor 7 and just grab all the strings at once and pluck the strings at once too. This can be a good exercise to get used to shift your positions between E, D, G and A, G, B. This might take a while. You can do that with a dry exercise. You just move like this. So you can make sure you get a feeling for changing the positions. And now we can do it like that. Then you put together the chords again. And the song goes throughout with this chord progression. I mean, we have this I know, I know, I know, I know part. It takes the same chord progression. You have the whole thing going on for the whole song. So, thanks for tuning in, guys. And if you had fun with this video, check out my free lessons for beginners. You don't pay anything at all there, of course. And you get a total free, amazing ebook if you check the link in the video description too. Don't subscribe or anything like this. It's totally free. Would be a pleasure for me to welcome you there too. And thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video. My name is Hannes Knechtke. See you. Bye.